Molex has a broad offering of standard cable assemblies that provide a ready-to-use, plug-and-play connection that meets industry standards. Cable assemblies are offered with a variety of Molex connectors terminated to discrete or overmolded cables, decreasing the engineering time, resources, and tooling costs during prototyping, and they can be used to support global production. But what if you need something different? With Sager and Molex, designers can efficiently design custom cable assemblies online, using different connector families, circuit sizes, wire gauges, UL styles, cable lengths, and more, with automatically generated drawings and 3D models delivered shortly after submitting the design. Configure the Side A connector starting with the product family, then fill in the details. Next, select the cable parameters, style, and length. For the Side B connector, you can mirror the Side A connector, select a different connector family and configuration, or design a single-ended cable with stripped wire leads. Next is the pinout configuration, where standard or custom pin mapping is possible, with options for different wire colors or to leave void positions. Designers can also select from various bundling options and add a custom printed label to the cable. Additional requirements can be noted in the text box. Once the design is completed, enter your contact info to receive a drawing and 3D model. Quotes and samples can also be requested. To learn more about Molex cable assemblies and to design your own cables, visit Sager.com.